Namaste friends, this is a small vlog of my farmhouse where you can see this is my farmhouse. This is my dad, his inspiration, and I will be taking some plants from him. This is my Ajji, she is very active person in this age. Okay, you can see behind this house we are planning to grow the vegetables. Okay, you can see the grass as well as weeds have been grown. In this space we will be preparing the vegetable garden. See, this is during the preparation. This is a before pick. This is during a land preparation, and this is after the weed removal. And we are in this video we are showing that we are preparing the blocks for our garden, where in this block we will be growing different types of vegetables in a different blocks. Okay, please do follow this channel, subscribe, and please press the bell icon to regular updates. Thank you.